15 phrasal verbs with meanings and examples. Run out. Meaning: to deplete or have none left. Example: they ran out of milk and had to go to the store. We're about to run out of paper for the printer. Figure out. Meaning: to understand or solve something. Example: she finally figured out the answer to the puzzle. He couldn't figure out why the machine stopped working. Sort out. Meaning: to organize or resolve an issue. Example: we need to sort out this issue before moving forward. She sorted out her closet and donated old clothes. Turn out. Meaning: to happen in a certain way or have a certain result. Example: it turned out to be a wonderful event. The weather turned out better than expected. Find out. Meaning: to discover information. Example: I found out about the surprise party yesterday. She found out that the store was closed on Sundays. Point out. Meaning: to bring attention to something. Example: he pointed out the mistake in the document. She pointed out the scenic view to her friends. Give out. Meaning: to distribute or hand out. Example: they gave out flyers to promote the event. The teacher gave out the test results at the end of class. Pass out. Meaning: to lose consciousness or faint. Example: he passed out from exhaustion after the marathon. She nearly passed out from the heat. Cut out. Meaning: to remove or eliminate something. Example: she cut out sugar from her diet to stay healthy. The editor cut out unnecessary scenes from the movie. Pull out. Meaning: to withdraw from an agreement or commitment. Example: the company decided to pull out of the agreement. She pulled out of the competition due to an injury. Back out. Meaning: to withdraw from an obligation or promise. Example: he backed out of the deal at the last minute. She backed out of the road when she saw traffic ahead. Check out. Meaning: to investigate or take a look at something. Example: you should check out this new book. It's amazing. They checked out the new restaurant in town. Breakout. Meaning, to start suddenly or escape. Example, a fire broke out in the building last night. The prisoners broke out of jail and escaped. Workout. Meaning, to solve a problem or exercise. Example, they worked out a solution to the problem together. He likes to work out at the gym every morning. Stand out. Meaning, to be noticeable or prominent. Example, her performance really stood out from the others. The bright color makes the car stand out in traffic.